Golden Rock Pagoda at Doi Saket. There's the fierce looking guard, and then continue walking on to the pagoda with a very nice view of Chiang Mai below. Doi Saket. Oh yeah, very nice. Beautiful, beautiful. And the goddess with the Golden Rock Pagoda. And the valley below at Doi Saket. And more mountains in the distance. At the pagoda at Doi Saket. Looks like they're got a scaffolding up. They're working on some things there. And coming back to the Buddha. Gong. And the stupa at Doi Saket temple. Very nice stupa. Here we are at the Happy Buddha and the Baby Buddha at Doi Saket in the mountains outside of Chiang Mai. Very impressive Happy Buddha. Still at the Wat complex at Doi Saket. Looks like a long stairway going up to Gong, I believe. At the top of the stairs. Whatever she is, she's quite beautiful. And there are many stairs to get up there. Could be a little bit of a walk. And then off to the right is the reclining Buddha. Quite the large size reclining Buddha. With guards at the temple gate. And the nice pink toenails, very well manicured, pedicured. There's the manicure, the pink fingernails. Reclining Buddha, temple guardians, and back to the Gong, which seems to be the main attraction here. Approaching the main pagoda at Wat Doi Saket. Quite the impressive pagoda. Many monks busy here today. And large tree with the golden ribbons hanging everywhere. one of the lesser Buddha figures here at Wat Doi Saket, showing the entrance to the main pagoda temple. And you can see the gold painted stairways. And then panning past the Naga off to the distance beyond some beautiful bougainvilleas is the Gong in the distance. Just trying to zoom in on her a little bit. There she is. Many monks throughout this temple complex going about all their daily duties. Monk's job is never done. Stairway up to a mini temple here at Wat Doi Saket, outside of Chiang Mai, Thailand. This one looks like it's in the Chinese style. And then lots of scaffolding around one of the main Buddhas here. Looks like he's getting a restoration job. We're looking at ascending the 1,000 golden carpeted stairs up to a Gong above. You can see some of her arms where she's goddess of mercy. So many arms to help so many people, all their daily toils and troubles. And then we've got some guardians looking after her here below with a beautiful reclining Buddha. He's looking very sharp. You can see his recently manicured pink fingernails. And then looking into the setting sun, we can see his pedicure pink toenails. Looking very sharp in his reclined state. Completely at rest, at peace with the world. Not sure what the significance of these guys are, but we've got male and female elephants with a baby in between. Very realistically done. I'll attempt the ascent. I don't know how many of these stairs I can tackle, but as they say, this journey is one step at a time. As we ascend to the Gong above, she's a long ways up there, and it's a very hot 100 degrees with high humidity, but I guess one of Buddha's pilgrims is trying the ascent with the reclining Buddha looking on. So we'll continue. Very difficult to hold the camera steady and keep breathing at the same time. I hope the Gong appreciates my effort. I hear some monks chanting in the background, the distance. Hopefully that's providing blessings of encouragement. Since I'm the only one on these stairs today, what do they say about mad dogs and Englishmen? With a name like Reed, I guess I've still got some English foolhardiness inside of me. We're on the final ascent. I hope this is not my final ascent. Duck under this little overhead. And we're truly on the final ascent now. Thankfully, those monks helped me. Looking up at the Buddha at the top of Wat Doi Saket in the mountains outside Chiang Mai, and just panning around to see the mountains in the distance, the rest of the religious complex below, including the main pagoda, which is a central point, and back to panning through the mountains. Awfully bright sunlight today. Here is Ninja Bruce Lee lookalike, and I'm not sure who that is, but all kinds of decoration on the wall at the Samurai Kitchen. There she is again, that beautiful babe. This could be the Sydney Roosters there, Daryl. Is that your rooster? If not, it's a look-alike. Maybe it's the Pepsi Rooster. Kitty Cat Lounge. Feast for the eyes. And yes, we are open. Coca-Cola. Still at the Samurai Kitchen tonight. So many signs to see. All kinds of Japanese food, you name it, it's available. I don't know if that's Bruce Lee, I don't think so. All kinds of Japanese paraphernalia. That's a sexy looking babe. Alright. And a look at the kitchen. Very international kitchen, and the server coming up. Cashier, please pay here. We're not going to forget that. And all the figures on the wall. Anyway, a lot to see here. Head back to my seat and chow down on my miso soup, gyoza, and a California roll. Dining tonight at Samurai Kitchen. All things Japanese. Quite a sensory overload. Looking around the restaurant at all the posters, signs, lanterns. Just swirling around in my seat. A lot to see. I think that's Bruce Lee, maybe. Lord Ganesha in a bath, getting ready to go into the Samurai Kitchen, where we see Sanyo TV, karaoke sexy. Delicious food at very reasonable prices. Be back here many, many times. And of course we got a Chiang beer on the way in. Some sort of punching machine, I believe. Yeah, there's a pair of boxing gloves. Punch away on this thing, whatever it is. It's like quite the machine. Oh, it's broken. And then a look inside the Samurai Kitchen. Not too many patrons here tonight.